people. I mean, you see it? Now here we go on. We forward for talk about the people them were afraid for pick a side. See? Cause Alkaline don't tell them, say, yo, make sure you pick on a side. See? I'm telling you. And we know so the Alka fans them not have no problem with that. Right? But me hate it. I freaking hate it when people are talk about why we can't just work with the two of them or the two party or the two artists them were an enemy. You know what I mean? You're supposed to pick your side. I mean, like, for some people it can be like them love both artists, or them love both party. But some people like, all right. So first of all, I'm on Richie feelings live, Zane. And from what day I know, I see Richie feelings are bless up Spice and I talk highly of Spice and how she making them among some people and all of these things, in glad say no Spice, all of them experience them have at the award show recently. I know him go on appreciative and outright with the outbursts and him just a go on loud about how him grateful of Spice and how she make him the close by the biggest star them internationally, you see me? So that is what we've been seeing in the media and the vlogs them recently, right? Like days ago. So now me go up on him live, Zane, as me go up on him live, I see my defend Shenseea. And it's like him a stick him neck out for Shenseea and I say, oh, Shenseea perform good. All the people them that talk about she not perform good, when are wicked and ray. I'm gonna say, yo, what kind of man this? I'm gonna say, yo, how you feel? Say Spice team and defend Shenseea. You know allow that, man? You see me? Him get mad and flip and ray. Me I play the video for you see it. You see me? Me I play the video for you see it. Or him go on and him block me and I'm tell him for block me, I talk about mine him block me. I say, what? Brother block me because I'm not afraid of blockings. You see me? Like what brother, I'm not like see you, brother. I just know say the people in my mind watch him content them. Why me decide to go over there. But me have to tell him the truth. So me I say?
Told the people them they tired. People would have say Shenseea flop. No man, nobody no flop, man. Shenseea perform how she not with a perform. She not flop. I will never say Shenseea flop. That's a fucking lie. You understand? I just earlier should have come up. She should have worked earlier. That's my only issue. She should have worked earlier. See? And then now, after she, there comes blood clot Capleton. Member Capleton. May I tell you, Capleton. Hey, where your name? Bumbuckler, leprosy, or where you want name? I'm having a good day. Me see you comment on my page today. Now you comment on my live. What the blood clot you want from me? Eh? What the blood clot you want from me? You look me attention from morning. From morning you look me a blood clot attention. You what? Eh? Your name leprosy. Eh? First you tell me if you go into politics. Now you tell me if you this. Go and suck yourself and leave me alone, bro. Love me a blood clot loan, man. I mind me black you, man. From morning you look me attention. You see me make me post your blood clot. Come on, pan it a comment. Now me dep on me live. You come on a blood clot again. You what? Eh? You what? Them send you for me? Tell them me no blood clot see me, man. Tell them me no see me. You loyal? You know anything about blood clot loyal? You dirty blood clot. You wear name? Leprosy. Go suck yourself alone for the page, man. From morning, you look me blood clot attention. You look me attention from morning. You follow me up every blood clot way. Eh? Everywhere me blood clot go, you follow me up. Where you follow me up so far? What the fuck you follow me up for? Me never see you on my page yet in a life, you know. And I today you choose. Me fi go in a politics. No, me no loyal. Suck yourself, man. Blood clot. Me never see this yet. You never stop until me give a little attention. Don't blood clot like me, I'm gonna like your parents. And then make you there. Blood clot. Look how much right you are right. I mean, I want to see no more here too, man. Go suck yourself, man. Blood clot. Go on, man. You dirty blood clot. Me tell you about them. Me say the man till me make me post. The man till me make me post, the man run on for my page. Now you hear me attack. More the girl them pussy. And the show, you jump up. You know, say you want big skungy dungy. You hear me tell you, man, more time the man them worse than the woman them. It's always a man, you know. It's not even a woman, it's always a man. Always a man. Channel star. Yo.
Like, oh me, that with Mad Sus, you know, same thing with Mad Sus, brother. Mad Sus talk highly about Cartel and know say Alkaline don't rate Cartel, don't respect him. And you, where Cartel do so much for, where you claim say you appreciate, you gonna talk about Alkaline. You know? It's like him a ball create. You know? And Alkaline don't tell the world, say, yo, war can't ball create. If no, no war begging out and buy out. Which Cartel don't tell you that from 05. So my war can't talk over beg out nor buy out. Who get it in a blood clot fly out. If you this one I'm a friend, then I will dead back who for face no shot out. It in a head back. You know? So the same thing just flipping a different pattern. You know what I mean? War can't ball create. Which that are like 20 years later. Yeah, but at the same thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, not a big friend thing. So why Madsus end up take up himself? You notice if Madsus do that, him ease back off of the net. Cause him know say him violate. Him know. And him should have know better. But we have to see with it. We have to see with it. Cause me or I want to say, yo, the man them do all it for years and you know, we have to give them some time for it. Right. But at the same time still, you know, say Cartel no need no time for get him act together and Ray. Cause Vibes Cartel ever conscious and strong. You see me? We stand strong. Stand strong. Stand up like a man. Big song, you see me? So that's the thing, the man. People have to pick on a side and no loyalty. Because listen, let me tell you how some people are the coward them stay, so you know. You can't get caught up and coward up, you know. You have to always remember, say, yeah, it is okay to have enemies. It is okay to do what's best for your interests. You see what I'm saying? So if the best thing to do is to stay away and avoid certain people, I best you do that. See? Because sometimes you know you have to fight for your life. So sometimes you have to embrace the fight. You can't go on like say fighting is all bad. And that with them people going like, yo, why not for fight? Like fighting for go on. You know read the history how war was more wicked at one time. Like all the little pitney have to go war. So we learn to embrace war because the day might come where all our innocent we feel like we're innocent to have to go to war to defend ourselves. Or else we're going to lay down like lamb to a slaughter. So we have to learn to be militant. Because I don't want nobody around me where you're friend up with my enemy them. You can't come tell me about you're friend with my enemy and you're friend with me. Pick your side and go one side. Simple. Some people want to be two-side Cutlas and I talk about right. You see me? You know how Richie feelings here call up Shenseea and name a defender. You see me? The man a defender like. Yo, and guess what? The truth hurt him, you know? It hurt him, blood clot. It hurt him so much that him turn off him life. And him just go live, you know? Because I see the notification pop up. Say Richie feelings just go live. But guess what? I never click on him live immediately. I give like a minute or so or 2 minutes. You see me? And then I say, oh, I remember say, I did see him notification, so I just click on it. Just go click on him profile and go live, see him live, you see me? And I shouldn't say I'm a defender. I say, yo, oh, you fear? Jump up one day and I say, oh, Spice, do this for you, and oh, you're glad that no, you're defend Shenseea. And him know say I act that. You know what I mean? I don't want them friendly people around me. This is not the time to be friendly. You can't be friendly. Yeah, them people that will get your poison, you know. Them people that will get your poison. Because when you are embrace the split and the war between you and your enemy, say, yeah, you don't want no friends with your enemy. You get me? I say, keep your enemy them from a distance, you see me? But some man round you will like your enemy them, want bring in your enemy them for unite because they want to say, God them I say, and unity. God is a man of war, brother. God send people for go slew people with him not like. God send film kings them for go eliminate all of the man them and God will say, oh, don't touch the children them and don't touch a female sometime. But sometimes God tell him warrior them for slaughter everything. I'll pick them if you don't read in the Bible. Because God knows say certain bad seed in a certain people. You have to slew them to get rid of them seed there. You see me? So right now, all type of weirdos and scarecrows they on the island and they in this world right now. You see me? And no elimination now go on until the father forward. Father time and mother nature. You get what I say? Then bring Christ. And then now, that are the day of judgment, where the last replenishing go on. You see me? Of all evil and wicked people and all of that. You don't know, you see me in my colours? That means never next content for talk about and show up. So this is just to cover the Richie feeling thing with the mad sauce. The people them will love to pick side. Just like the people them talk about them now vote. Like go out, go vote because the country, you know, see what the country in a, you know, see the state where the country in a, you know, see how much people are ball and a suffer, you know, see how much people are call out Andrew and all type of corruption. You know, see that. And then hear them. Why the two parties of them are the same? You can't say that because Mark Wolin never get a chance to lead the country. Why you never say that in a 2016, 2015 when Andrew come in? Why you never say the two of them are the same? Because, you see, people want to use the old PMP leaders them feed them fat for fry Mark Golding. But them never do that with Andrew. Them say, all right, make you give Andrew a chance. And them give him a chance. And them see him fail for 10 years in a tenure of running the country. Right? And before you say, yo, make you give Mark a chance now. You know talk about. Two of them I see them and Ray. You know, fool and dunce. You have to take power from one and make one now come bill and try to see where him depend. When you don't vote, you leave the power in the blood clot hands of the corruption. The man who will lead. So everybody with vote, we can vote. You see me? So that's the thing there. So wise up people, because no found a dunce. No found no talk about no vote, no dunce stuff. You see what I say? Who vote for JLP? Them dunce stuff. All I know is just dunce. Right now, Mark Golding are the new face. We need to see when he can come do. We need to give him a chance. At this right there. Because we see how much corruption. We see bold suffer. Zin, them thief. And we see enough of laugh when them thief bold money. You see me? Andrew is a big inspiration to scammers. The scammers them look up to Andrew. I wonder why. Because him is a big scammer to him, is the biggest of choppers. Andrew wellness, bro God. Government badness. Uno dance? Come like uno dance. The man all a chop uno individually. At the first in history, so much people bank account get slapped and hack and what uno see them thing there? Come like uno see what go on. See all Gaza, Kim Wadia, them chop for your account. Grace Kennedy must hold some more money. And she said enough people and get back them money. I told she a big star, make she get it back when she go live and talk about it and sing song about it. Them give her back fast. But this government here is a chopping government. Andrew, no get him out. We need the orange them. Need the orange. Squeeze the orange in them. Oranging. Yeah, the biggest are engine. We need for sure the oranging. The oranging. That is the oranging. When you turn on the engine, then when you're oranging, it goes oranging, no gin. Then you deal gin, immobile engine. When you're oranging, gin. You turn the key and it's hard gin. You drink hard gin. You call Tommy Lee, Kim. You call Shinting, call and drink Sinting. Linking, tell linking, everybody. Hey, a mad ass. Open up your ears and lock on your ass. Yo.